Namaste. My name is Jadian Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today we will discuss about cultivation theory. What is cultivation theory? यहाँ कल्टीवेशन का मतलब सबसे पहले समझना महत्वपूर्ण है। कल्टीवेशन का मतलब होता है जोतना, या फिर जैसे खेत में हम किसी चीज़ को जोत देते हैं, मिट्टी को कुरेद देते हैं और फिर उसमें कुछ बीज डाल देते हैं, तो यहाँ कल्टीवेशन से कुछ वैसा ही आशय है। तो आइए देखते हैं कि इस थ्योरी में क्या कहा गया है। कल्टीवेशन थ्योरी एग्जामिन्स द लॉन्ग टर्म effects of television. The primary proposition of cultivation theory states that the more time people spend living in the television world, the more likely they are to believe social reality aligns with reality portrayed on television. The images and ideological messages transmitted through popular television media heavily influence perceptions of the real world. Cultivation theory was founded by George Gubner and is positivistic, meaning it assumes the existence of objective reality and value neutral research. A study conducted by Jennings, Bryant, and Dorina Miran in 2004, which surveyed almost 2,000 articles published in 3 top mass communication journals since 1956, found that cultivation theory was the third most frequently utilized theory, showing that it continues to be one of the most popular theories in mass communication research. Cultivation theory suggests that exposure to media over time subtly cultivates viewers' perceptions of reality. Gubner and Cross assert television is a medium of the socialization of most people into standardized roles and behaviors. Its function is, in a word, inculturation. Within his analysis of cultivation, Gubner draws attention to three entities: institutions, messages, and publics. Though most researchers tend to focus on television as it is the most common form of media consumption in the world, cultivation theory has been shown to encompass many different forms of media such as newspapers, film, and even photographs. This can apply anytime social behavior, social observation occurs in any form outside a natural environment. Initial research on the theory establishes that concern regarding the effects of television on audiences stem from the unprecedented centrality of television in American culture. Gubner posited that television as a mass medium of communication had formed into a common symbolic environment that bound diverse communities together, socializing people into standardized roles and behaviors. He thus compared the power of television to that of religion. Stating television was to modern society what religion once was in earlier times. Thus, governance research focused on the larger meaning of heavy television consumption instead of the meaning behind specific messages. अब अगर इस थ्योरी की बात करें कि इसमें जो चीज़ें कही गई हैं, इसमें ये कहा गया है कि जो कल्टीवेशन थ्योरी है ये बेसिकली टेलीविज़न के ऊपर बनाई गई है। मतलब टेलीविज़न के इफ़ेक्ट के ऊपर बनाया गया है कि जो टेलीविज़न है, जो टेलीविज़न मीडिया है, वह किस तरह से व्यूअर के दिमाग को पूरी तरह से अपने कब्ज़े में ले लेता है, किस तरह से उसके दिमाग में वो चीज़ें बैठा देता है या वही सोचने को मजबूर कर देता है जो टेलीविज़न चाहता है। यानी कि जो विजुअल मीडिया है, जो टेलीविज़न मीडिया है, वह इतना पावरफुल है कि वह आपको इस हद तक अपने कब्ज़े में ले लेगा, इस हद तक मजबूर कर देगा ये सोचने के लिए कि आप वही देखें, वही सोचें, वही सुने जो वो चाहता है। इसीलिए इसका नाम दिया गया कल्टीवेशन थ्योरी, यानी कि आपके दिमाग को कुरेद कर, जोत कर, उसमें वो जो चाहेगा वो बीज आपके दिमाग में वो डाल देगा। धन्यवाद।